Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. We're at Walmart today, which is pretty unusual for me. I try to go during the weekend warrior bonus time period, but the bonuses are too good today. We have a midweek bonus is 15 offers for $3. We got a pumpkin bonus, 15 offers for $5. So those two will stack and I'll get back $8 today for completing 15 offers. Once you complete the pumpkin bonus, you will unlock the spice bonus, so like pumpkin spice. And from what I'm hearing, the spice bonus is also 15 offers for $5. So we're gonna knock out two bonuses today for sure. And then the spice bonus, I heard there is a longer expiration date on it, so I will not be, trying to unlock that and do it once we get done here. So that's that. Other than that, the deals at Walmart this week are pretty good for right now. I find that the deals are a little bit better during the weekend period on Thursdays when they roll out the weekend warrior bonus. But for right now, the deals are pretty good. There is a couple deals that I'm going to do today that not necessarily are the greatest deals, but they are household needs like bread and coffee. I actually need those things. So we have Ibotta rebates for those, which makes it 10 times better. And then I will have the printable list down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and look at that if you get lost anywhere in the video. And in that printable list shows exactly where the coupon inserts are from and links to printable coupons. We also will be announcing my giveaway winner in this video. I'm sure you guys did not expect a Walmart haul this early in the week, but we are doing our giveaway winner announcement in this video. So I am giving away $10 gift cards to Walmart, Amazon, and Starbucks. So $30 worth of virtual gift cards. Stay tuned. Later in the video, I will announce that winner. And I'm just super happy y'all entered my giveaway, and I appreciate y'all so much. And thank you for entering that giveaway and getting me to 1,000 subscribers. So if you are new, welcome. Super excited you're here to coupon with us today at Walmart. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy Walmart couponing. As far as rebate apps today, we are using Ibotta. I think one deal on Shopkicks, a little bit on Fetch Rewards, and then I'm trying to do Swagbucks. But here's the thing, there is a Swagbucks rebate on some Trojan, and it disappeared on me this morning. It was there last night and it disappeared. So I'm hoping as I walk around the store and refresh a couple times, it'll just pop back up. Hopefully, because it's a huge moneymaker. If not, we're just not gonna have to do that deal today, unfortunately, but watch, it's gonna pop up as soon as we get out of the store. I know that's what's gonna happen. Never fails. But anywho, we're gonna get in here and see what kind of deals we can grab today at Walmart. So my first deal is on the Sara Lee Delightful Bread. It is keto friendly, and if you didn't know, I started a low carb diet a couple weeks ago, so this is clutch for me. So it is $2.68. I do have a 10-cent any bread rebate on Ibotta, so that will track towards my bonus as well. And then on a Fetch Rewards, I have a offer for $1.25 back, and then you'll see at the end of the video, I had a $1 offer also attached to that from Fetch Rewards, which made this bread just 33 cents, which I think is terrific, coming from $2.68. If y'all remember on Friday when I did my haul, we found the mother load of hydrant drink mixes on clearance for $6, and they are still here this week, and it's a moneymaker all the way. So we are going to do that to help my haul out today, since we can't do the Trojan deal. So they're $6 each. I'm going to go ahead and buy two at $12 and pay that out of pocket. We can submit to Ibotta for $4 back on each box, and Aisle can give us back $4 on each box. Now the thing with Aisle, I do want to mention, I forgot to mention Friday, that if you are a new user and wanting to sign up today, you will be put on a wait list, and they will get back to you as soon as possible to go ahead and confirm that you can start earning the cash back that I'm earning. If you are an existing user, you are good to go, but they were overwhelmed for quite a while with a bunch of new signups, so that is why they're doing the wait list right now. But it is a terrific, rebate service. So with both drink mixes here, they are completely free and a $4 moneymaker. And my husband, he is quite the fan of these. They have all the caffeine he needs in it. Just got done telling y'all I was on a low carb diet, and here I am grabbing some Brownie Brittle, but it is so good and such a good deal. They are $2.88, so we'll pay $2.88 out of pocket and can submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it $1.88. So, it's okay to treat yourself every now and again. Just don't make it a bad habit Abby. My husband was super excited to hear that I had a rebate on the Hell of a Good Dip, so it is $1.74. We can pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just 74 cents, which is an amazing deal. I love when Swagbucks brings the Scotch-Brite sponges deal around. It's probably not the greatest deal, but we have a couple moneymakers to pay for it, and we don't stock up enough on sponges in my house, so you want to make sure you get the Scrub Dot variety. They are $3.98 each. Go ahead and buy 2. You'll pay $7.96 out of pocket, and you can submit to Swagbucks for $3 back for purchasing 2. And then on checkout 51, we can submit for $1 back on each, so $2, making it $2.96 for both, or $1.48 each, which isn't really that bad, especially considering they were $3 a piece. Some of my focuses today are household essentials, one being the Sparkle paper towels. I haven't been stocking up on paper towels like I should have lately, so we're going to grab this 3 equals 6 pack. It is $3.97. We can pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, and Checkout 51 is offering $1 back as well, making it just $1.97. My friend Amy over at Amy Way to Save really convinced me to try this new Clorox Centiva, the disinfecting spray. So you have to get the grapefruit variety. It is $3.48. You'll pay that out of pocket, and you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making it just $2.73. Now you can also grab these wipes. They are $4.48, so a little more expensive, but if that's more of your jam, go right ahead. I'm just here to pop in and tell y'all your daily reminder to always be checking the rebate apps even when you're in the store, because rebates will disappear anytime. Even though it has an expiration date, it could still disappear anytime, including this one on the Folgers. I really wanted to grab the Folgers today, but I could not because the rebate disappeared on me right before I checked out. So I had to put it back and make in a little adjustment. So that is just, your little PSA for the day. I'm really interested to try this Veggie Craft macaroni made with cauliflower right here. It's $1.98. We can pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just 98 cents. And I think that's a pretty good price to try something I never have before. So now we're going to grab some soft soap. So this one right here is $1.98. There is 50-cent printable coupons on the soft soap website that I will link in the Google document. So if you use that, you'd be left to pay $1.48. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just 98 cents, something good to always have. Now I'm going to grab some Nivea Men's Face Wash at $2.98. We do have dollar printable coupons on the Nivea website that will also be linked in the Google document. If you use that, you can pay $1.98 and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just 98 cents. Never fails, every time I try to do this deal and try to film it in the vitamin aisle, it's always popping and I have to move. But the Smartypants Vitamins, they are $12.98 each. So what you want to do is buy one of the kids and one of the women's. Now you don't have to do exactly that. You can buy one of the teens and one of the men's, or one of the kids and one of the women's, like I said. So we have separate Ibotta rebates for all varieties. So the best way to do it would be grab one of each variety, so that's 2 rebates towards your bonus. You know what I'm saying? So I'm grabbing one of the kids and one of the women's, $12.98 each, totals us $25.96. We do have these $3 coupons from the 88 Smart Source that don't expire for another month, I do believe. So I'm going to use 2 of those. I'd be left to pay $19.96 out of pocket. We will get back $4 for each of these from Ibotta, and then $15 from Swagbucks for purchasing 2, making it free and a $3.04 moneymaker. Next deal is on the One by Poise liners. I can never get that straight. The 50 count, they are $5.46. We do have a $3 insert coupon from the 829 Smart Source, so you can pay $2.46. Submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back, and to Shopkicks for 195 kicks total between scan and purchase, which is equivalent to 78 cents, making it free and a $1.32 moneymaker. But of course, I always need the reminder to scan my items because I always forget to get my scan kicks. Another repeat deal from Friday, but it is a really good deal. But I do want to note that this rebate does expire. I think for me, it expired within 21 hours of me doing this deal. So by now, probably about 16 hours. So it is $4.44 for this eyeliner right here. I'm going to use a $2 coupon from the 81 Smart Source. I'd be left to pay $2.44 and submit my receipt back to Ibotta for $2 back, making it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. I also did this deal Friday too, but I think it finally expires within the next day or two. So if you still want to do it, go right ahead. The Neutrogena Acne Bar is $2.74, and they had 2 left for me. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and get 2. and pay $2.74 for each out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each, making each one free and a 26-cent moneymaker. Also on Friday, y'all remember seeing all my copper tone sunscreen on clearance. Here's where I found the hang tags to use to get a little overage in my cart on Friday. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple more in hopes that when I went to the clearance aisle, I would find some more copper tone, giving me about 25 cents in overage. And look at this. All the copper tone's gone. I think all they have is Banana Boat right now, but they still have lots of, great stuff. The school supplies, they still have that Find Your Happy Place stuff, Cetaphil, St. Ives. So my clearance aisle is still looking really good, but like I said, there's just no coupon matchups or no rebate matchups for me to make anything happen. Next, I'm going to grab some U by Kotex Click tampons. They are $3.84. Now, you can use a $1 printable coupon from coupons.com, but I forgot to print that, so I will submit to the coupons.com app for a coupon reimbursement of $1 back. Remember, coupons.com, the app, is not a rebate system. It is just coupon reimbursement, like digital coupons. So that would leave me to pay $2.84. We will submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just 84 cents for this. So that is 15 offers. I think maybe a little more if I'm not mistaken, but I'm super happy with this haul. We're gonna go put that Folgers away real quick since that rebate had disappeared on me, and then we'll go into the car and discuss the receipt and final cost. But beforehand, the big guy wanted to show you how he blows raspberries now. Before we get to the car and discuss the final cost of my haul, I wanted to announce our giveaway winner for those 3 $10 gift cards. It is Nina. You have won those gift cards. So please email me at couponswithabby@gmail.com to claim those gift cards. I'm going to give about 2 days for you to reach out to me before I pick a new winner. But congratulations. Super excited you won. And thank you all for entering. It was super fun hosting this giveaway. All right, so we're out from Walmart. Everything went super smooth and easy. No problems at self-checkout. All the coupons went through perfectly fine. A little upset the Folgers disappeared on me this morning. I really needed some coffee, but I have enough to last through the week, so that's okay. And then I'll decide to pay money for it. But for now, we had to make the replacement. I actually really didn't need a replacement for that because of the hydrant. I was kind of hoping my store still had the clearance hydrant, and they did, thank goodness, which also benefited me since I couldn't get the Trojan. That was gonna be a $4 moneymaker, but getting 2 of the hydrants also came out to be a $4 moneymaker, so that evened out really well. And then I think that was it. That was all that I really had planned on my list today. I think we got some great finds. So we're gonna go over the receipt and then the final cost of everything. All right, so here is our receipt. We have the vitamins. We have that coupon for each one of them that works perfectly fine. The hydrant on clearance, the Neutrogena Acne Bars, the Nivea with the coupon, the Rimmel with the coupon, the Sara Lee bread, the cauliflower mac and cheese. Hopefully that's good. Being on a low carb keto sort of diet has really been kind of like a bust for me because a lot of the keto friendly food is just honestly kind of gross to me, and cauliflower is a substitute for a lot of of the like pastas and spaghetti, so I'm trying to get used to that. So then we have the French onion dip, our Brownie Brittle. That is my cheat little snack for myself, so don't hold it against me. The soft soap with the coupon. We have the Centiva. Is that how you pronounce it? Centiva. Clorox. And then we have the Scotch-Brite sponges, the U by Kotex, and the 1 by Poise with the coupon. And then I'll submit my U by Kotex when I get home to coupons.com because they make you scan the product, and I don't feel like pulling it out of the bags right now. So I'll do that when I get home. And then the sparkle. So I believe that was everything here. So the subtotal is $74.33. Can you believe that? All right, so like I said, our out-of-pocket was $74.33, which is pretty insane. The total of product here before coupons is actually $86.83, which is even more insane because I really feel like we didn't get too much today. But it's just crazy seeing the retail price of these things that we're getting for really low or free. So from Swagbucks, I submitted my receipt for the vitamins and the Scotch-Brite. I got back $18.02. 2 cents being for any receipt upload. And then from Fetch Rewards, I did not know, so I noticed my Sara Lee bread, I had 2 separate offers. I didn't know they would both apply, so I got back a total of $2.40 for that, which was even better. I think I also got additional points for the Clorox and some other things I can't ever remember. I'm sorry, but $2.40, that makes the bread an even better deal, which I needed anyways. From Ibotta, in just rebates, we got back $35.85. That is incredible. I also got back a 50-cent level 1 September bonus. Those monthly bonuses, this is the last month for it. Ibotta is doing away with that, which I really don't mind, because those are just kind of, I don't know a better word to say than whack, because it'll be like 50 cents for 20 something offers. Like, that's just kind of insane to me a little bit. I never strive to finish those, so I did get back 50 cents for that. I did get back my $5 pumpkin bonus, and then my $3 midweek bonus. So that was a total of $44.35 with the rebates and bonuses. From Aisle, I did go ahead and text some and submit my receipt for $8 back total for the hydrant, so $4 each. From Shopkicks, y'all, please somebody remind me to scan my items in store. I'm just so busy scanning items in Ibotta to make sure they attach to rebates that I forget about Shopkicks. I did not get my scan kicks this time, but I did get my purchase kicks of 70 cents, so 175 kicks. From Checkout 51, I got back $3. I got $1 for the sparkle, and then $1 for each of the Scotch-Brite sponges. And then I will submit my receipt, like I said, when I get home, to the coupons.com app for a U by Kotex coupon reimbursement. You can print that coupon on coupons.com. I just forgot to, so I'm just going to scan my receipt on the coupons.com app to get that reimbursement. So that makes the final cost of everything we got today $86 worth, free, and a $3.14 Moneymaker, which is terrific. I cannot believe we got paper towels, Clorox, those vitamins right there. They're like 20 something dollars for those vitamins. I've been really trying to stock up on those. Free, and we made $3 buying it. And this is the beauty of rebate apps. And you know, you invest a little, but you're getting so much back, you know? And it's just things that our household always needs, and things that I can give to family members. So that is my favorite thing about the rebate apps. Like I've mentioned before, they are all linked down in my description box. If you want to sign up with those, I would truly appreciate if you use my code. It helps me out, and it'll help you out even more. And also, Nina, the giveaway winner, please get up with me at my email address. I have it linked in my description box as well to claim your gift cards. If she doesn't claim her gift cards within the next 2 days, I'm going to have to pick a new winner. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel as always, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!